So this is the unit. Corner unit siya. 2 bedrooms, around 62 square meters. And this is around 9.4 million or 153,000 per square meters. So meron tayong utility room or stock room dito. And then this is going to be the living and dining area. Kitchen natin, over and under cabinets. It looks like hindi siya nagamit ng previous owner dahil meron pa tayong pa-welcome dito ni Avida. And this is the bathroom, very spacious. Shower head. And then this is the bedroom 1. Ang kagandahan dito, it's a corner unit, kaya we have windows on both sides for better lighting and ventilation. And aircon provision, hindi siya nagamit. Yan ang view. And kita yung Makati skyline, banda doon. And then dito sa kabila, and then this is the balcony. Ayaw mabuksan. Balcony niya. And this is the primary bedroom. Meron siyang sariling bathroom. Makinis pa siya, oh. Maalikabok lang, pero good as brand new. Yan ang view niya. Afternoon na. This is below market value. Pag bumili kayo ng pre-selling under Avida dito sa Arca South for this kind of unit, nasa 15 million and up na. And this is available in cash or at least 10% down payment and then 90% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, this is as is where is and first come first serve basis, please message us directly.